Come in. Oh, hello, Lisa. It's so nice to see you. I'm glad you could make it.
That's nice. You can get on with the interview.
Why so rude?
What?
You have an attitude.
Lady, me don't have an attitude. You can hurry up, me left me pot pon the fire, unless you want hungry breath lick down the two a wee, hurry you here.
Okay. First I need to see your resume. I see you dropped out at 15, why so?
Lady, I know everything you fee know.
Listen, miss.
Lisa, aka Mandem one and only Mona Lisa, aka Goody got the Scotch bonnet pepper, aka good stuff.
Look. Lisa. You know what, never mind. Let's do a background check on your social medias. Says here you specialize in poles? So are you experienced in the engineering field?
Engineering? What the hell is engineering?
Yes. You know, working with poles and putting them in building infrastructures.
Well, something like that. You know, if me never know say is so much question you did a go ask me. If me did know me study.
Well, the only thing you'd be required to do is calculating measurements and...
Ray, look like a godsend the good gal come ya today, man. 'Cause you know if I've me getting a maths though. Me mother did proud you see. And all me dunce friend them get 1 and 2. Them no have no ambition cause if a me get that me would a ball.